Hey there, Lawrence. My name is Amy Batchelor with Lodestar SEO. I spoke with Ida on the phone, who so kindly said I could shoot this video over to you. Would love for you to also forward it over to Mark and Natalie. I'm a local business owner just like yourselves, and I know that COVID has really hurt some businesses, so I just wanted to give back and show you what you can do in order to compete online with your competitors and drive more traffic to your business. I wanted to jump on here real quick and go ahead and go through your site and show you kind of what we think is going to be best for you. So I'm just going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you can get the most value. I'm pretty much going to explain to you 3 things that you can do today to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online, okay? The first thing I want to go over is your website and what we call content. When someone searches for air duct cleaning Sugarland, Google crawls websites on the internet, searching and ranking the sites. It's looking for keywords, it's looking for what should the site be found for. So when I go through here, I see you have some nice photos on your site and a beautiful layout. I see a little bit of content, but not a lot of content. So one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. So Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your front page. And we're looking at right now with your site, we're probably sitting at about 750 words on this page. So adding another 750 words of content with the keywords that you're trying to target is going to help you get found for those keywords. And we'll talk a little bit more about keywords here in a second. But not only does Google just look at your site, but when Google comes into your site, they can't tell what they should be ranking you for if you don't have any keyword specific things on here. So what does that mean? Well, let's look at your competitor. When I looked up air duct cleaning Sugarland, these guys came up, and when we start scrolling through their website, we see content here, we see pictures. They only have about 450 words on here. No brainer, you can beat them with content, okay? So what does all this mean? So this right here is a tool I use called a refs, and it allows me to see every keyword you're ranking for, how much traffic you get into your site. So we can see here that you're getting ranked for about 156 keywords, and you're getting 70 people a month to your website. So when we jump in here and we look at your competitor, they're only getting found for 16 keywords, right? They're getting 7 people a month to their website. And when we go in and we look at their keywords, they're using keywords that people are actually searching for. So they have air duct cleaning Sugarland, 30 volumes. So that's 30 clicks a month for that one. They're sitting on the first page of Google on this one. Air duct cleaning Sugarland text, 30 clicks a month. They're also sitting on Google first page for that one as well. Now, once we do the first thing of getting the right content on your site and getting the right keywords on your site, the next thing is to go and find what we call backlinks, okay? So what are backlinks? Backlinks are pretty much, let's say, another air duct cleaning site from Houston, Spring, or even Florida. It just needs to be in your kind of field, air duct cleaning. Linking back to your site saying that you're the most popular one here. So the way that Google works, it's like a popularity contest back in high school, right? The more sites we get linking into your site, the more popular it tells Google that you are, and the more they want to rank you for these keywords. So we need to go out, we look at your competitor here, and we see that they have 66 referring domains linking back to their site. So we have to beat that. And let me just go back over here where you are. This is your website here. You see here, you'll have 14 referring domains, okay? There's 66 linking back to their site, okay? So this is what we have to beat. So not all backlinks are created equal, right? So getting a link from Starbucks linking to you is not going to be as powerful as a general contractor or something like that linking back to you. To tell Google that you're relevant, you're in the right niche, and you're popular. That's what we want to go after, okay? This is a power spot where they're beating you. So we have about 66 referring domains. Now, we don't want to get the same amount as them. As when it comes to links, we want to beat them by 20 or 30 links to really start beating out the competition, to outrank them, to take that traffic. And then last but not least, I want to talk to you about the third thing we need to go get, and that's what we call citations. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the map pack before, right? This is right, the map pack right here. And down below that is called organic. Now, I found you on page 2 at number 17 on Google, okay? So to get to organic in the first page, on the top 3, we got to get these keywords up. We've got to get all the links coming into your site. And then to get into this map pack right here, we have to go after what we call citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number throughout the web on as many directories as possible. And a directory is like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, all those directories that are out there. We want to get your business listed on them. It tells Google that you're legit. So we go over here to another resource I use called whitespark.ca. I did a report and I found the top listing on MapPack, and it looks like he has 8 citations. Guess what? You have 8 citations as well. Super easy to beat them on that. So when you come back in here to the MapPack and you click on More Businesses for Air Duct Cleaning Sugarland, you're nowhere to be found. Goal is to be in the top 3 positions. That's right here. Because think about it. When someone Googles something on their phone, what are they going to do? They're not going to scroll and scroll, right? They're going to get those top 3. They're going to click on one of those and they're going to go with that company. So once again, we went over content. We got to get the content on your site. You've got a beautiful looking site, but we got to get the keyword relevant content. And then once we have that, we need to go after these backlinks, right? We need to get your backlinks up to start driving traffic to where you're getting a ton of people a month to your site. And then once we have that, we want to turn around and we want to go after those citations that we talked about. Okay, so those are the 3 things that I think, if implemented today, is really going to help you get found on Google and drive more customers to your business. I've only shown you one competitor and one keyword search. There are dozens of buyer intent keywords for the air duct industry that we could capture the traffic of thousands of clicks per month that you aren't getting. All right. Thank you for taking the time to listen to me today. Like I said earlier, my name is Amy, and if you like what you've seen here today and you want to chat, you can reach me at loadstarseo.com for all my contact info. Thank you and have a good day.